1-step hair dryer and volumize. 3 heat settings, just 1 hand operation. For smooth blowouts, place the volumize close to the roots and brush down toward the ends. For voluminous, place the volumize under the hair close to the roots and roll outward to the end. To curl end in, blow from the root of the hair, turn the comb, roll inward, pull down to the end of the hair. 3-in-1 hair dryer and volumize have multiple uses at the same time. Style and time cut in half. Make your hair shiny, silky smooth, and full body results. Help you create ideal style.